my navigator. We can take the long way home. We can take the long way home. You are my
Hi guys, we just arrived here in Texas, and temporarily we will be living in this condominium right here, one unit. And let me show you around. Well, I like it because there's so many trees. We're surrounded with plants. And that fountain. And there is a swimming pool right there. Okay, we are finally getting here. So let me go ahead. Look at the color. The color is like, what? Super dark gray. But it complements to the white ceiling. And that's a whole, this is just a table or dining table. And oh, they have a fireplace right here. Okay, this is our bed here. And that's the table. Wow, this is so cute. They gave us the chocolate. What is this card about? The owner. Babe, the owner sent us the card, or the manager, I guess. The manager sent us the card. He said, thank you. And there is a chocolate. That's so sweet, right? We drove here all the way from California to Texas. So you will be able to see that from my previous vlogs that we've been to with different states. Just to visit them. What's up, vlog? Chiquita here, and in today's video, actually kakatapos ko. I'm just lowering down this news right now. Do you guys watch news? Because I do. Yeah, and so as you can see from my previous vlog, so andito na kami sa Texas. We are no longer in California, we just moved in. And I'm excited about this new journey here in Texas. Now at this point, my baby is so busy because right after, we arrived, the following day, he has to report to his job. So that's my job. So I list down all the apartments that we're interested in, and I call them. I will be calling them one by one by one by one. And aside from calling them to make an appointment for a tour, I'm going to do my own research. So ano nangyari sa work ko? It took me a few days na magkaroon ng courage to say na I have no choice. I did not say that I'm going to resign. I just said that we are moving out of the state. So, ganon. At first, her expression was really shocked, and I can see the, na ano siya. Parang, okay. Sabi niya, okay. Where are you moving? So, yeah, we're moving. We're kind of thinking about Dallas, but at that time, my baby received already an offer, just pretty good offer. So, ayaw talaga siyang gawin. Yan, ayaw ko siyang gawin. But kasi alam ko how much time and effort they have that the company invested in me, especially my boss, because my boss was my partner in every transaction. So ganun. Kaya nahihiya ako mag-resign. And ito nga, ito yung share ko. Binigyan niya ako ng 3 envelope. Itong tatlong ito. So, dalawa nito is open envelope. The other one is closed. Sinabi niya na, you've got your last pay. So, I've got my last paycheck. And then I was surprised that binigyan niya ako ng full vacation. Kahit hindi ko naman nakompleto yung year. Diba? I mean, ganon. And then, I was so touched because nagkaroon talaga siya ng time na gumawa ng recommendation letter para sa next company ko. Kita ko lang lahat itong mga envelope na to nung dumating na kami sa Texas. Kasi nga, the day that this envelope was given to me, when I came home, I was already busy packing, those essential things that we have to bring with us. So, ganun yung nangyari. So, hindi ko siya nakita, hindi ko siya naintindi, hindi ko siya na open masyado. Na parang nawaglit yung sa isip ko na may isang envelope pala na hindi ko na open. Hindi open. Kasi ito sa bag ko, which is intact of all things. Ayan, when I was arranging, I remember that I have one one envelope na hindi pa na-open. So, I was shocked. Ganun laman. Actually, hindi ko naman nakita, pero ang laman niya is it's our card. It's very personal. And sinabi niya na it has been a true pleasure to meet you and work a long mile with you. She was me all the best. Binigyan niya ako ng personal number niya at personal email niya kasi sinabi niya na whatever happened, whenever you need help, just let me know. Just call me, email me, I'll be here. Ganun siya guys. I mean, oh my God! That's the owner of the company that I talked to. She's not a manager only, but she's the owner of the company. So, we are having some awkward and teary moment during our last day talking together. So, and aside from that, may binigay siya na cash sa akin. That was really, bakit ko to i-share? I-share ko ito kasi hindi sa, naka-receive ako ng ganyan. Though it was unexpected. So, ito yung i-share ko ito kasi may na-realize ako na whenever I have a job, I always feel grateful kasi naging bread and butter ko siya. And I guess that has something to do that everybody should do. Be grateful that somebody trusted you. And I was so happy na kahit first ako na Pinay na nag-work sa kanya sa company is, ina-acknowledge nila yung yung ideas na okay, this is the software that we have to use kasi it's a project management base. So, may kasama siya doon na ganyan. So, may mga software ako na alam for project management na which is, it doesn't cost anything na we can definitely use. Naging proactive lang siguro ako. And hindi ako nahihiya, guys. Pag hindi ko alam, I'm going to ask. And when hindi ko pa rin naiintindihan, I'm going to ask. And remember this, it's normal, to doubt and to do not understand everything. But to stop doing something is a choice. So that's your choice if you don't want to extend some effort to learn something. Ganon siya. So, ayan. That was just my chika for today. And Ngayon, anong oras na? It's already 6 p.m. right here. Thank you for stopping by. And I'll talk to you soon. Goodbye.